Hello everybody! Today I present to you the new Electricianz for crazy timepiece, a crazy open box. It's a true unboxing. Guarantee card, as you can see, and it's pills, thick pills. And for crazy unboxing, crazy. Not open again. Hey! Here we go! A new timepiece! I have yet the cable Z and now it's the Neon Z. So cool timepiece from the Electricianz. Like we can see, this timepiece is so crazy. Like the other one. This one is a cable Z, this one is a Neon Z. Normally, during the night, and you can see at the end of the video with light, with blue light, with night, the straps color, and many things are loom on the dial. If I push on this button, you can see, yeah, night circle with LED, so cool. This one too, like we can see, up. And it's a so cool timepiece. Hope you like so much. And like we can see, I put on my arm, I continue the video. Here we go on my wrist. A so cool timepiece, like we can say before. It's Swiss, from Switzerland. This here, it's a screw. When there is a red light, the first battery is empty and you turn for the second battery. So cool idea. This one, just one battery. This one too, with you can switch the energy. Carbon dial, carbon nylon dial, so cool. Hope you like so much. A crazy night video just in a few seconds. Hope you continue to look and hope you like the crazy design of this timepiece. 45mm dial, very cool guys, very nice details, so cool.